Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into one of the most exciting innovations in modern technology, AI agents. But what exactly are they, and how do they differ from traditional automation systems? Stick around as we explore this game-changing concept. Let's start by defining AI agents. At their core, AI agents are software systems that can perceive their environment, reason about it, and take actions autonomously to achieve specific goals. Unlike traditional systems that simply execute preset tasks based on triggers, AI agents can think, learn, and make decisions on their own. Think of them as intelligent entities capable of handling dynamic, unpredictable situations. They process data, analyze patterns, and even adapt their behavior over time without explicit programming for every scenario. This makes them ideal for tasks that require flexibility and constant decision-making, such as customer support, autonomous driving, and predictive maintenance. To better understand AI agents, let's break down the key components that make them work. An AI agent typically follows a cycle of three key stages: perception, reasoning, and action. First, perception. This is where the agent collects data from its environment. The data can come from various sources, such as sensors, user input, or even external systems. It could be a simple request, like asking an AI assistant to set a reminder, or something more complex, like processing millions of data points in a factory to monitor machinery health. Next, reasoning. After collecting the data, the agent processes and analyzes it. This is the intelligence part of the agent, where it applies machine learning, decision-making algorithms, or even deep learning models to understand what's happening and to figure out the next best action. Finally, action. After processing the data, the agent takes action. This could be anything from sending a notification, activating a system, or even making a recommendation. The key here is that AI agents can take action on their own, based on the reasoning process, without needing direct human input every time. Now, how do AI agents differ from traditional automation systems? Traditional systems, like workflows or rule engines, are primarily reactive. They follow predefined steps based on specific triggers. For example, in a rule engine, a system might react to an input like, if the user clicks buy, then charge the user's credit card. But the key limitation here is that traditional systems are limited by rules and conditions set by humans. They are rigid and often fail when conditions change unexpectedly. For example, what if a new edge case appears that hasn't been accounted for in the rules? The system can't adapt without manual intervention. AI agents, on the other hand, are proactive and adaptive. They can learn and evolve over time. Let's consider a customer support scenario. A rule-based system might only respond to a pre-programmed set of keywords or phrases. But an AI agent can understand the intent behind a customer query, adapt to new ways of asking the same thing, and even predict future needs. It learns from every interaction, becoming smarter each time. In other words, traditional automation is like a strict set of instructions. AI agents, however, are like employees who can think on their feet, adjust to change, and solve complex problems. AI agents make automation much more dynamic and flexible. One of the standout features of AI agents is their ability to multitask. Traditional automation systems often operate in a linear fashion, executing one task at a time, step by step. They're great for simple, repetitive tasks, but struggle when there are multiple parallel activities or unpredictable changes in the environment. AI agents, however, can manage several tasks simultaneously. Imagine a virtual assistant handling multiple tasks at once, responding to an email, ordering a product online, and even adjusting your calendar. These agents can prioritize tasks based on urgency, learn new skills, and adapt to the flow of multiple operations without human intervention. Now let's dive into some fascinating real-world examples of AI agents, showcasing their transformative potential across industries. These examples illustrate how businesses are leveraging the power of agentic AI to automate, innovate, and create value. OpenAI's advanced language model, GPT, powers Duolingo's new AI-based language tutor. It provides personalized, interactive lessons that adapt to individual learning styles. Hugging Face's Agent Hub enables developers to build multi-agent systems that can collaboratively process tasks, like summarizing documents, generating code, and retrieving information. Adept's Act, one agent automates multi-step workflows within enterprise tools, such as managing project management dashboards and running analytics, by mimicking human interactions like clicks and commands. So, how exactly do AI agents work? Let's break it down with a simple process flow. Step 1. Perception. The AI agent gathers data from its environment. This could be through sensors, user input, or external sources like web scraping or IoT devices. Step 2. Reasoning. This is the thinking part, where the agent uses algorithms, models, or even machine learning to analyze the data. It tries to figure out what the best course of action is, based on predefined goals or objectives. Step 3. Action. Once the reasoning is done, the agent executes a task or triggers a response. This could involve sending an email, adjusting a setting in an IoT device, or offering a recommendation. And finally, learning. After the action is taken, the agent learns from the outcome. It analyzes the result and adjusts its future behavior, making it more effective over time. Creating AI agents is no longer a daunting task, thanks to innovative frameworks and tools that streamline their development. Let's explore some of the popular frameworks empowering developers to build and deploy AI agents efficiently. LangChain is a powerful Python and JavaScript framework designed for building applications with large language models. It provides tools to handle memory, connect to external APIs, and chain tasks effectively. Hugging Face Transformers simplifies integrating pre-trained language models, like GPT, BERT, and others, into your AI agents. It's an essential tool for tasks like text classification, summarization, and Q&A. OpenAI's APIs are a cornerstone for AI agent development. They offer direct access to GPT models, enabling developers to build conversational interfaces, automation systems, and creative tools. LangFlow is a low-code tool for developers that makes it easier to build powerful AI agents and workflows that can use any API, model, or database. These frameworks are lowering the entry barriers for AI agent development, empowering developers to craft intelligent, adaptable, and impactful solutions across various domains. Whether it's natural language processing or task automation, these tools are paving the way for the next generation of AI agents. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into cutting-edge technologies. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI agents. What use cases do you see for them? Comment below and let's discuss.